The materials we use in this experiment are red cabbage leaves, mortar and pestle, beakers, distilled water, centrifuge and test tubes, droppers, gloves and goggles, and the household test substances, which are the vinegar, calamansi juice, baking soda, detergent, and tap water.
Here's the procedure for the experiment. First step is to chop 5 to 6 leaves of red cabbage into small pieces. The next step is to place in a blender with 200 milliliters of distilled water and blend until the water turns deep purple. Or use pestle and mortar to grind the pieces of red cabbage leaves. The next step is to pour the mixture into centrifuge tubes. Divide equally. Then next step is to place the tubes in the centrifuge opposite to each other for balance. We should always remember to balance the centrifuge before using it. The next step is to run the equipment for 3 to 5 minutes to separate the solids. Then, carefully collect the clear purple extract. This is your pH indicator. Next step is to place 5 milliliters of the indicator in each separate test tube for each household solution. The next step is to add 2 to 3 milliliters of each test substance and observe the color change. And last step is to record your observation on the table provided.
So now I'm here to explain about the result of our experiment. So here's the table. For for first column, we have our test substance. For second column is initial color of indicator, and for third column is the color after mixings, and followed by the estimated pH. And now the last one is if can it be an acid, base, or neutral. Now let's start with vinegar. In vinegar, the initial color of indicator is violet, and the color after mixing is red or pink. The estimated pH is between 1 to 3, and it is has a strong acid. Now for calamansi juice, the initial color of indicator is also violet, and then the color after mixing is um, red and pink. And per estimated pH, it's also one between 1 and 3. And this is the last one is it's a strong acid. Now for baking soda, the initial color of indicator is violet, and then the color after mixing is blue-green. And the estimated pH is 8 to 11. Now it's a weak base. Now for detergent, is the initial color of indicator is violet, and the color after mixing is also violet, and the estimated pH is 7, and it's neutral. Now for the last one, the tap water, the initial color of indicator is violet, and the color after mixing is also violet, and the estimated pH is 7, and it has a neutral base.
What role did the centrifuge play in this experiment? The centrifuge primary use is separation, where it spins samples at high speeds to separate components of a mixture based on their density.
The acidic substances are vinegar because it has acetic acid and lemon juice because it has citric acid. The non-acidic substances are the baking soda solution, which is basic, detergent solution, which is neutral, and tap water, which is also neutral.
Now let's answer the question, how reliable is red cabbage as a pH indicator compared to a pH meter? Well, Both red cabbage indicator and pH meter can measure acidity and alkalinity, but they differ in accuracy, reliability, and uses case. Red cabbage has a neutral and cheap and easy to make. Also show a wide range of pH changes, and it's good for demonstrations, experiments, and giving general idea of acidity and basicity. And it can only give approximately pH value, usually positive or negative 1 to negative 2 pH units. Subjectively, a color interaction depends on lighting and human perception. It also presents a strongly colored solution or impurities can affect readings. The pigments can degrade over time. Now, for pH meter, it's highly accurate, typically positive and negative 0.01 and zero point 0.1 pH units, depending on the quality, reliable and consistent. It's also unaffected by subjective color interruption. It can measure a wide range of samples. So, in summary, red cabbage is good for educational purposes and rough estimate of pH, while pH meter best for accurate and reliable measurements in research industry or labs. In short, red cabbage is less reliable than pH meter but useful when you only need an approximately idea of pH.
Why is balancing the centrifuge important? Balancing the centrifuge is important to prevent any accidents or to prevent damaging the equipment. Unbalanced centrifuge may lead to accidents that may harm the person using it or it can damage the equipment.
To improve the extraction process of the indicator, we can use a blender or pestle and mortar to finely grind the plant material. In our case, we use a pestle and mortar to grind the red cabbage. This way, we can improve the extraction process of the indicator.
So, the summary of our findings is that acidic substance, vinegar, and calamansi juice change the indicator from violet to red-pink, and basic substance, baking soda, turn the indicator to violet to blue-green, and neutral substance, tap water, and detergent show no change in the color.